I'm Shigio. I just flew in from the north. Hi, I'm Chidori. I've just come from the north too. I'm going to stop by Narashino City now. Narashino? What's that city like? It's a very nice place that gives a warm welcome to migratory birds like us. Can I go with you? Sure, follow me. I like this town so much that I come here every year. There's a lot I want to introduce to you, like its nature, history, culture, and life. Narashino is a city located in the northwestern part of Chiba Prefecture. It is only about 30 minutes from Tokyo Station, making it very convenient and accessible. This JR Tsudanuma station is one of the busiest stations in Chiba, with many people using it to commute to work or go to school. Let me show you the many timeless attractions of Narashino City. Come to Narashino, a town guide by Chidori and Shigio. A walk through nature. Let's take a tour of the nature that exists in Narashino, going from west to east. First is the Tidal Flat, Yatsu Higata. This tidal flat is a rare type even throughout the world because it is located in a city. There are at times as many as 1,000 migratory birds stopping here to rest during their journey. Now let's land. Are you ready? Ready! Okay! Phew! Made it! Good. Let's rest here for a short while. Yatsu Higata is full of small living creatures that serve as food for wild birds. So that's why so many migratory birds come here. Precisely. The Yatsu Higata Nature Observation Center was established to observe these birds. How many different species of migratory birds can be observed here? About 110 throughout the year. That many? Yatsu Higata is a stopover site for migratory birds flying between the northern and southern hemispheres. In 1993, it was the first tidal flat in Japan to be entered on the Ramsar list, a convention formed to protect wetlands of international importance. This center undertakes a variety of activities to let people know about the importance of protecting Yatsu Higata. I'll be back! Now let's go over there. This is Yatsu Rose Garden, located next to Yatsu Higata. The roses are in full bloom twice a year, in the spring and fall. This rose garden used to be located within an amusement park called Yatsu Yuen. It was praised as the best rose garden in the Orient, and an amazing 700 types of roses bloom here. Queen Elizabeth, Princess Michiko. There are roses that are named after the world's royal families. And this is Rose Gomaru Narashino. It was created to commemorate Narashino City's 50th anniversary. So that means we can see roses that are unique to Narashino City. There are still a lot of places to see in Narashino. Let's move on. Narashino lets us experience various kinds of nature throughout the year. This is a scene from spring. Everyone loves the cherry blossom season. At this Sakura festival, you can eat and drink and enjoy the cherry blossoms to your heart's content. This is Kasumi Park. The hydrangeas are in bloom. The hydrangea is the flower of Narashino City. It's so pretty. Next is Mimomi Hongo Park. You can enjoy the abundance of nature available here. There's a grassy field where children can play, and a pond where waterfowl gather. It's the perfect park for taking a leisurely stroll. Another attraction of this park is the former home of the Tokita family. It's an old private residence. The former home of the Tokita family, which was built during the Edo period here in Mimomi, was relocated to this park. It is a cultural property of Narashino City that we hope will be preserved for many years to come. This is the Mimomi Conservation District located next to the park. I didn't realize that you could find a country landscape like this in Narashino. Here, all year round, you can find children having fun experiencing the rice paddies. It also lets people interact with each other. The Tidal Flats, Rose Garden, and parks. Narashino City certainly has a rich variety of nature. These are all places that I highly recommend. Did you enjoy them? Yes, very much. Now let's take a look at the history of Narashino City.